Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Escape Hybrid. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.